friendly. Bluetooth acting up on your Poco X7? Let's fix it together. First things first. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled. Head to Settings, Bluetooth, and switch it on. Make sure your Poco X7 is discoverable and the devices are within 30 feet of each other. Restart both devices. Your Poco X7 and the Bluetooth gadget. Sometimes a simple reboot does wonders. Next, check for updates. Go to Settings. About Phone System Updates. Updates often fix those pesky Bluetooth bugs. Still stuck? Clear the Bluetooth cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Manage Apps. Find Bluetooth and tap Clear Data or Clear Cache. If all else fails, reset Network Settings. Settings, More Connectivity. Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks, and Bluetooth. But remember, you'll need to reconnect everything afterward. Inspect for physical damage and contact Poco support if needed. And there you have it. Simple steps to get your Bluetooth up and running on your Poco X7.